If you have ever failed at any work from home job, this video is for you. I'm gonna be really honest with you. I have tried it all and I failed at pretty much everything before I found success in making money online. And I'm gonna tell you how I've done it, so you're gonna wanna go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can come back to this. If you're new over here, my name is Victoria. I'm a boy mom to 3. 2 of my boys have special needs. My youngest is a tiny tot tornado. My husband is active duty Army, and all that I wanted was to be able to be that present stay-at-home mom so that I could be at every sporting event, so that I could be hands-on playing trains with them, taking them to parks, but I still wanted to be able to contribute financially. So that brought me to looking into all of these ways to make money online. I tried network marketing. I did that for 7 years. I did surveys. I had my own online boutique. I did those Quickly emails, all of these things just to try to make an income from home. And I know I'm not the only one that feels exhausted after trying everything and then failing at everything. Have you ever felt like no matter what you try, it just doesn't work out? Because if so, you're gonna wanna keep watching, because I wanna share the exact moment that things shifted for me. So a little backstory about me, we were broke 2 years ago. I mean, broke. I hadn't made a sale in my online boutique for 6 weeks. And you guys know when it rains, it pours. I needed a new transmission in my car, needed 4 new tires, needed to pay for 6 rental cars while my car was in the shop, all while my husband was away. I needed so badly to be able to support our family more financially, but in my mind, I didn't want to put my kids back into daycare just to go work somewhere to make $12 an hour. It didn't make sense to me. And so here's what happened. I saw this girl talk about how she made 40 grand in 2 months online. She was talking about this whole 2-hour workday from home. I was first in line to say, that sounds too good to be true. Sounds like another MLM. Sounds like a pyramid. I called it all the names in the book because I didn't understand it. I watched her succeed for 2 months before I decided to even try this out. And then I asked her what this whole digital marketing thing was. Honestly, I rolled my eyes. I said, here we go. It's gotta be another scam. But when I did my research and I started to look into it, I realized this was so different than anything else I've ever tried. Because it wasn't about recruiting. It wasn't about building a team. It wasn't about having some stockpile full of products in my garage. It was just about learning a skill. That skill was just how to market products and services that people are already searching for. I mean, think about this. When was the last time you Googled or you searched for something, or you watched a YouTube video about something before buying? That is marketing. Businesses need people who can connect their product to the right audience. And when you learn that skill, you don't just make a little money here and there. You start to learn how to average $900 a day from your cell phone. And with that skill, you can learn how to build a business that is going to change your life completely. When I started this, I was just following the same 2-hour workday that she did. I was creating the content, and then I was learning the skills to market so that I could attract customers. I followed this step-by-step system that told me do this on day 1, day 2, day 3 to start to see income coming in. And let me tell you, my baby goal going into this was to make $1,200 a month. I said if I could bring in at least $1,200, I would be pitching in. I would be helping my family. In my very first month, I made $29,000. I've never made an income like that. I'm not somebody who comes from money. Y'all, I grew up watching my daddy work 3 jobs just to try to pay the bills. And then I fell into that pattern of working 3 jobs and living in a tiny apartment where I couldn't even afford heat. An income like that blew me away. By 5 months, I hit my first 6 figures, and now 2 years in, I'm this close to making $600,000 on social media. It blew my mind how quickly this started working, and the time freedom that I have with my kids is completely unmatched. I came into this with no tech skills, no marketing skills, having no idea how to attract customers to me, in this long list history of failures. I fully expected this to just be another thing that I could check off the list that I had tried and failed at. So if you are like me and you're sitting there feeling like nothing ever worked and you feel like you've tried everything, please hear me. You are not a failure and you are not broken. You just haven't found the right path yet. You haven't found the right tools yet. Digital marketing was mine. It was exactly what I needed. And if you think that you might need this too, go ahead and check out the link in my description. And don't forget to make sure that you subscribe to my channel to learn more about how digital marketing can change your life. And I'd love to hear in the comments if this helped you. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.